Let's go through the process of starting my daily driver. The key's stuck in my ignition. AC and heater don't work. You know how it is. I've got every light on the dash imaginable. Luckily, I keep my flathead screwdrivers on the floor at my feet here. I think I'm getting pretty dang quick at this, so let's see what I can do on a time crunch. And boom, just like that, it started. That was sub 1 minute. I'm really pumped about this. How long does it take you guys to get your daily started? I love this car so much. If anything ever happened to it, I'd be so disappointed.